Hello, class. I hope everyone is doing well and having a great weekend. This is Brother Castillo. We'll be talking about Lesson 11 today, Organizational Change, Culture, Incentives, and Motivation. As far as the agenda, you know the drill. I'll share a little did you know information. We'll recap Lesson 10. We'll talk about the Lesson 11 objectives, and then the assignments that are due for Lesson 11. The HOA groups I'll be meeting with this week, and one final thought. Did you know that if you invested instead of spent $3.50 a day at a rate of 6%, you would have $106,000 after 30 years? So what's the moral of the story here? Even saving a little over a long period of time adds up. All right, let's recap Lesson 10. Which was our wilderness exercise. Hopefully everyone found that valuable and a great learning experience. So some of the things I want to talk about here are team versus self. The group I met with had a really good experience, and in this exercise you had to balance the needs of the team versus your own needs. As you recall, as you had to pick the items you thought were necessary. You pick them based on your own assumptions and biases, so to speak. And then as a team, you have to decide what was best. So the first takeaway would be, the concept of thinking about your own needs versus the team's needs. Secondly, the next thing I'd like you to consider are, what are my persuasion skills? Do you feel comfortable trying to persuade others to your point of view? Or is it something that is less natural or uncomfortable for you? And so, as you can imagine, whether it's at work, church, social situations, you often, whether you like it or not, have to show some persuasion skills. So, just something to think about. What are my persuasion skills like as you think about the different situations or circumstances you'll find yourself in? And finally, my last point is actually a suggestion, and that is to either lean forward or step back. So as far as leaning forward, if you are more extroverted, more likely to speak up, more comfortable sharing your opinion, I think something to consider is stepping back. And so that would be like in a situation. Sometimes people that are extroverted will often dominate a conversation. So I would just say to consider maybe stepping back and giving others either a chance to express themselves or to encourage them to express themselves or to express their opinions. Now, if you're more introverted or less likely to speak up, my suggestion would be to lean forward. And that would be to speak up and put yourself out there, so to speak, and speak up and share your opinion, even though it might be a little uncomfortable or scary for you. For example, I am naturally an introvert, and I've had to learn through the years to speak up and raise my hand. And to this day, it is still uncomfortable and not easy. It doesn't come naturally, but I've done it more than I did maybe years ago. So that's the final point I wanted to make. Lesson 11, objectives. Let's move on. This week we'll be talking about organizational change, culture, incentives, and motivation. Understand principles of organizational change. Analyze the role of organizational culture and workplace satisfaction. And finally, what's the role of employee motivation and how it impacts effectiveness. All right, so the assignments that are due this week. On Tuesday, you'll have your Lesson 11 case study write-up. It's the Barbara Norris case, Leading Change in the General Surgery Unit, another Harvard Business Review case. Complete your readings in the 5 Behaviors of a Dysfunctional Team, pages 117 to 156. Hopefully you're enjoying reading this book. It's actually one of my favorites. And then due by Monday at 8 a.m., the case study activity with your HOA groups, your reading discussion postings, and as always, try to post by Wednesday or Thursday, and not wait to the end of the week. And finally, make sure you take the Lesson 11 self-assessment. In terms of the HOA group meetings, I'll be meeting with groups 7 and 8 this week. And if you're in group 8, I'll send you an email, but unfortunately, because of work, I can't meet during the day. I'm wondering if group 8, if you would consider sometime this week meeting in the evening, because I really would like to join your meeting live. Team leaders, again, make sure that you find the agenda for the case study and post the link for your team. And finally, as part of your discussion, hopefully you try to incorporate all the lessons that we've learned so far in the class. One final thought comes from President Uchtdorf, and that is, what shall we give in return for so much? As we have all been blessed with so much, both temporal and spiritual blessings, I think we should always be thinking like President Uchtdorf, and what is it that we can give back in terms of service or otherwise for all that we have been blessed with. All right, everyone, have a great week, and I'll see you online. Take care. Bye-bye.